Hello everybody, welcome to juristcentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the 400 most important antonyms and synonyms for Jamia Millia Islamia and ILI LLM entrance examination of the year 2021. So let us start. So let me tell you first, the second column deals with synonyms and the third column deals with antonyms. Acumen. The first one is acumen. The synonym is a word with brilliance and the opposite word is stupidity, ignorance. There, comply, observe, condemn, disjoin, abolish, abrogate, annual, set up, establish, abolish, disconcert, rattle, uphold, discompose, abound, flourish, proliferate, deficient, destitute, abet, moderate, decrease, aggravate, condemnable, abject, despicable, servile, condemnable, praiseworthy, abjure, forsake, renounce, and approved, sanction. Ninth, abortive, vain, unproductive, productive, absolve, pardon, forgive, compel, then the accord, the synonym is agreement, harmony, and the antonym is discord, acrimony, harshness, bitterness, courtesy, benevolence, adamant, stubborn, inflexible, flexible, soft, adherent, follower, disciple, rival, adversary, adjunct, joined, added, separated, subtracted, admonish, counsel, reprove, approve, applaud, adversity, misfortune, calamity, prosperity, fortune, alien, foreigner, outsider, native, resident, allay, pacify, soothe, aggravate, excite, alleviate, abet, relief, aggravate, enhance. Then allure, the synonym is entice, fascinate, and antonym is repulse, repel, ascend, climb, escalate, descent, decline, amplify, augment, deepen, lessen, contract, arend, incriminate, indict, exculpate, pardon, audacity, boldness, courage, mildness, cowardice, authentic, accurate, credible, fictitious, unreal, awkward, rude, blundering, adroit, clever, axiom, adage, pleasing, absurdity, blunder, baffle, astound, phase, facilitate, clarify, bewitching, alluring, charming, repulsive, repugnant, bleak, green, austere, bright, bright, pleasant, brittle, breakable, crisp, tough, enduring, bustle, commotion, tumult, slowness, quiet, barbarous, a synonym is frustrated, perplexed, antonym is civilized, baroque, florid, guilt, plain and unadorned, barren, desolate, sterile, damp, fertile, barrier, barricade, obstacle, link, assistant, base, vulgar, coarse, summit, novel, batty, incense, silly, sane, body, erotic, coarse, decent, moral. Then befog, the synonym is becloud, dim, antonym clear, headed, uncloud, benevolent, benign, generous, malevolent, miserly, benign, favorable, friendly, antonym is malignant, cruel, bind, predicament, release, bleak, austere, blank, bright, cheerful, blunt, dull, insensitive, keen, sharp, boisterous, clamorous, rowdy, placid, calm, bold, adventurous, timid, busy, active, engaged, idle, lazy, calculating, canny, devious, artless, honest, calamity, adversity, misfortune. This is the synonym and the antonym is fortune, callous, obdurate, unfeeling, defamation, compassionate, tender, calumny, defamation, aspersions, condemnation, praise, capable, competent, able, incompetent, inept, captivate, charm, fascinate, disillusion, offend, captivity, imprisonment, confinement, freedom, liberty, seize, terminate, desist, begin, originate, chaste, virtuous, pure, sullied, lustful, chastise, punish, admonish, cheer, encourage, compassion, kindness, sympathy, cruelty, barbarity. Then comprise, include, contain, reject, lack, concede, yield, permit, deny, reject, concur, approve, agree, defer, disagree, consent, agree, permit, object, disagree, consequence, affect, outcome, origin, start, consolidate, solidify, strengthen, separate, weaken, conspicuous, prominent, obvious, concealed, hidden, contempt, scorn, disregard, disregard, praise, contradict, deny, oppose, approve, confirm, 70, contrary, dissimilar, conflicting, similar, alike, calm, harmonious, unruffled, stormy, turbulent. Callous, the synonym is insensitive, indurated. Antonym is kind, merciful, camouflage, cloak, disguise, reveal, candid, blunt, bluff, evasive, captivate, beguile, bewitch, repel, carnal, earthly, freshly, spiritual, Catholic. The synonym is generic, liberal. Antonym is narrow-minded, celebrated, acclaimed, leonized, unknown, inglorious, cement, plaster, mortar, disintegrate, censure, rebuke, reprimand, praise, acceptance. Then cheap, competitive, inexpensive. This is the synonym and the antonym is dear, unreasonable. 82, clandestine, covered, fruitive, open, legal, classic, simple, difficult, romantic, unusual, coarse, bawdy, boorish, fine, chaste, comic, clown, jester, tragic, tragedian, compact, bunched, thick, loose, diffuse, compress, abbreviate, shrink, amplify, expand, conceit, egotism, immodesty, and modesty, concord, agreement, accord, discord, condemn, castigate, child, approve, praise. 91. Confident, bold, undaunted, definitely cowardly, consolidate. The synonym is centralized, fortify, and the antonym is weaken. Courtesy, generosity, reverence, disdain, rudeness, creation, formation, foundation, destruction, cunning, acute, smart, nape, course, decay, collapse, decompose, flourish, progress, deceit, deception, artifice, veracity, sincerity, deceiver, interpret, reveal, misinterpret, distort, defile, contaminate, pollute, purify, sanctity, defray, spend, pay, disclaim, repudiate. 101. Deliberate. The synonym is cautious, intentional, rash, sudden. Demolish. The synonym is ruin, devastate, repair, construct. Deprive. The synonym is despoil, divest. Antonym is restored in you. I hope you understood that the second column deals with synonyms and the third column deals with antonyms, and the first column deals with the words. And serial number I'm not counting in any column. Disstate, despise, demonstrate. Then antonym is inspire, persuade, denounce, blame, boycott, defend, dense, opaque, pile, sparse, brainy, derogatory, sarcastic, critical, laudatory, appreciative, despair, depression, misery, contentment, hope. Then destructive, cataphras, pernicious, creative, constructive, docile, pliable, pliant, headstrong, obstinate, dwarf, diminutive, petite, huge, giant, eager. The synonym is keen, acquisitive, indifferent, apathetic. This is the antonym: eclipse, diminution, dimming, shine, eclipse, eccentric, strange, abnormal, natural, conventional, ecstasy, delight, exaltation, despair, calamity, efface, destroy, obliterate, retain, maintain, eloquence, expression, fluency, halting, stammering, encumbrance, hindrance, obstacle. The antonym is incentive, stimulant. 121. Endeavor, undertake, aspire. These are synonyms. Seize and quit is the antonym. Enormous, colossal, mammoth, diminutive, negligible, epitome, precise, example, increment, expansion, equivocal, uncertain, hazy, and the antonym is obvious, lucid, eradicate. That means synonym is destroy, exterminate, secure, plan, fabricate, construct, produce, destroy, dismantle, fallacy, disillusion, mistake, veracity, truth, falter, stumble, demur, persist, endure, fanatical, narrow-minded, biased, and the antonym is liberal, tolerant, feeble, weak, failed, strong, robust. Uh, 131. Ferocious. The synonym is cruel, fierce, gentle, sympathetic, pure, strife, quarrel, harmony, fraternity, fluctuate, deflect, vacillate, stabilize, resolve, forsake, desert, renounce, hold, maintain, fragile, weak, infirm, enduring, tough, frantic, violent, agitated, subdued, gentle, frivolous. The synonym is petty, worthless. Antonym is solemn, significant, frugality. The synonym is economy, providence, lavishness, extravagance, gather. The synonym is converge, huddle. Antonym is disperse, dissemble, gloom, obscurity, darkness, delight, mirth. Then glut, stuff, satiate, starve, abstain, gorgeous, magnificent, dazzling, dull, unpretentious, gracious, courteous, beneficent. Then rude, unforgiving, grisly, disgusting, atrocious, pleasing, attractive, grudge, hatred, aversion, benevolence, affection, guile, cunning, deceit, honesty, frankness, generosity, altruism, bounty, stinginess, greed, genuine, absolute, factual, spurious, gloomy, bleak, cloudy, gay, bright, glory, dignity, renown, shame, disgrace. Then hamper, retard, prevent, promote, facilitate, hapless, unfortunate, ill-fated, fortunate, lucky, harass, irritate, molest, assist, comfort, haughty, arrogant, pompous, humble, submissive, hazard, peril, danger, conviction, security, heretic, non-conformist, secularist, conformable, religious, hideous, frightful, shocking, attractive, alluring, hamstrung, cripple, debilitate, strengthen, encourage, harmony, conformity, amicability, disorderly, hasty. The synonym is abrupt, impetuous, and leisurely, cautious are the antonym words. Then honor, adoration, reverence, denunciation, shame. Humble, the synonym is meek, timid, and the antonym is proud, assertive. Humility, resignation, fawning, boldness, pride. Hypocrisy, deception, pride, yes, Pharisaism, unsincerity, frankness, impenitent, uncontrite, obdurate, repentant, impulsive, flaky, impetuous, cautious, deliberate, indifferent, equitable, haughty, partial, biased, indigent, destitute, improvised, and rich, affluent, then infernal, damned, accursed, heavenly, insipid, tedious, prosaic, pleasing, appetizing, interesting, enchanting, riveting, dull, uninteresting, immaculate, unsullied, spotless, defiled, tarnished, immense. The synonym is huge, enormous. Antonym is puny, insignificant, immerse, submerge, involve, emerge, uncover, imminent, impending, brewing, distant, receding, immunity, prerogative, privilege, blame, censured, impaired, diminish, deteriorate, sensor, revive, impartial, just, unbiased, unprejudiced, biased, then impediment, hurdle, obstruction, assistant, concurrence, impious, irreligious, unholy, and the antonym is pious, devout, then impute, attribute, ascribe are the synonyms, and the antonym is exculpate, support, inclination, disposition, affection, indifference, disinclination, incompetent, inefficient, unskilled, dexterous, skill, incongruous. The synonym is inappropriate, absurd, compatible, harmonious, inevitable, unavoidable, uncertain, unlikely, doubtful, infringe, violate, encroach, comply, conquer, ingenious, undisguised, knave, willy, and craftily, insinuate, allude, hint, conceal, camouflage, insipid, tasteless, vapid, delicious, lascivious, insolvent, indigent, destitute, wealthy, solvent. Then 199, instill, the synonym is inculcate, inject, and the antonym is eradicate, extract, intricate, tangle, complicated, regulated, orderly, intrigue, scheme, conspiracy, candor, sincerity. Then invective, accusation, censure, approval, acclamation, invincible, unconquerable, impregnable, if effeminate, languid. Then irrepressible, irresistible, unconfined, composed, hesitant, immaculate, exquisite, impeccable, defiled, tarnished, jaded, tired, exhausted, renewed, recreated, zazue, dull, boring, and the antonym is interesting, exciting. Then 201, jovial, frolicsome, cheerful, solemn, morose, jubilant. The synonym is rejoicing, triumphant, melancholy, depressing, judicious, thoughtful, prudent, irrational, foolish, just, honest, impartial, unequal, unfair, justify, defend, exculpate, impute, errant, juvenile, young, tender, dotage, antiquated, keen, sharp, pregnant, vapid, insipid, kindred, relation, species, unrelated, dissimilar, knave, dishonest, scoundrel, and paragon, innocent, knave, dishonest, sorry, I have already repeated it, nail, death nail, last blow, and the antonym is reconstruction, rediscovery. 211, naughty, complicated, difficult, simply manageable, lavish, abundant, excessive, scarce, deficient, lax, slack, careless, firm, reliable, lenient, compassionate, merciful, cruel, severe, liable, accountable, bound, unaccountable, apt to, liberal, magnanimous, generous, stingy, malicious, linger, loiter, prolong, hasten, quicken, lucid, sound, irrational, obscure, hidden, lunacy, the delusion, insanity, normalcy, sanity, lure, attract, entice, repel, dissuade. Then 221, the lascious, the word is lascious, and the synonym is palatable, delicious, and the antonym is unsavory, tart, luxuriant. This means profuse, abundant, scanty, meager, languid, sluggish, apathetic, energetic, spirited, malice, vengefulness, grudge, goodwill, kindness, mandatory, imperative, requisite, optional, masculine, gallant, strapping, feminine, meek, merit, stature, asset, demerit, dishonor, miraculous, marvelous, extraordinary, ordinary, trivial, mitigate, alleviate, relieve, augment, enhance, modest, humble, cautious, then arrogant, pompous. 231, molest, the synonym is harass, tease, antonym is console, soothe, mollify, appease, assuage, irritate, infuriate, momentous, notable, eventful, trivial, insignificant, monotonous, irksome, tedious, varied, pleasant, morbid, nasty, macabre, healthy, cheerful, munificent. This is a liberal, hospitable, frugal, penurious, murky. The synonym is dusky, dreary, and the antonym is bright, shining, mutinous, recalcitrant, insurgent, and the antonym is submissive, faithful, mutual, joint, identical, separate, distinct. 240, niggardly. The synonym is miser, covetous, and the antonym is generous, profuse, Then nimble, the synonym is prompt, brisk, sluggish, languid, nonchalant, indifferent, negligent, attentive, considerate, novice, tyro, beginner, veteran, ingenious, noxious, baneful, injurious, healing, profitable, nullify, cancel, annual, confirm, uphold, notion. The synonym is conceit, apprehension, reality, concrete, numerous, profuse, various, starts, deficient, obstruct, impede, prevent, hasten, encourage, obliging, complacent, willing, malicious, obstinate, obscure. The synonym is arcane, vague, and the antonym is prominent, obstinate. The synonym is stubborn, adamant, and the antonym is pliable, flexible. 252 often. The synonym is excess, inherit, and the antonym is forfeit, obvious. The synonym is evident, apparent, and the antonym is obscure, ambiguous. Odious, the synonym is malevolent, obnoxious, and the antonym is engaging and fascinating. The word is offensive. The synonym is abhorrent, obnoxious, and the antonym is engaging, fascinating, occult, latent, ambiguous, intelligible, transferable, offspring, descendant, sibling, ancestor, forefather, ominous, menacing, foreboding, auspicious, opaque, obscure, shady, transparent, bright, optimist, idealist, pessimist, oracular, cryptic, vague, lucid, distinct. 262 order, impose, revoke, abolish, ornamental. The synonym is decorative, adorned, and the antonym is unseemly, plain, outbreak, eruption, insurrection, compliance, subjection, outrage, offense, maltreatment, praise, favor, pacify, appease, chastisel, and irritate, worsen, persuade, casual, impress, dissuade, halt, perturb, flustered, anxious, calm, propagate, inseminate, fascinate, suppress, deplete, progress, pace, betterment, retrogress, worsening, prompt, precise, punctual, slow, negligent. Then prudence, vigilance, discretion, indiscretion, pamper, flatter, indulge, deny, disparage, paramount, foremost, eminent, trivial, inferior, fearless, matchless, unrivaled, mediocre, commonplace, peevish, perverse, sullen, suave, amiable, pertness, flippancy, imprudence, modesty, diffidence, perverse, petulant, obstinate, complacent, docile, placid, tranquil, calm, turbulent, hostile, pompous, haughty, arrogant, unpretentious, humble, precarious, doubtful, insecure, assured. Predicament, the synonym is plight, dilemma, antonyms resolution, confidence, quack, impostor, deceiver, upright, unfeigned, quaint, quiet, strange, familiar, usual, quarantine, seclute, screen, befriend, socialize, quail, subdue, reduce, exacerbate, agitate, quibble. The synonym is equivocate, prevaricate, unfeel, and plain, raid, incursion, foray, retreat, release, rapidity, quickness, velocity, inertia, languidity, reason, acumen, bounce, folly, speculation, rebellious, restless, attacking, submissive, compliant, rectify, amend, remedy, falsify, worsen, reluctant, cautious, averse, anxious, eager, disdain, detain, confine, incite, ratify, consent, approve, deny, dissent, ravage, destroy, ruin, reconstruct, renovate, redeem, recover, liberate, conserve, lose, remnant. The synonym is residue, piece, entire, whole, remonstrate. The synonym is censure, protest, and the antonym is agree, loud, remorse, regret, penitence, ruthlessness, and obduracy. Then rescind, annul, abrogate, delegate, permit, resentment, displeasure, wrath, contempt, cheer, retract, recant, withdraw are the synonyms of retract, and the antonyms are confirm, assert, reverence, respect, esteem, disrespect, affront, rout, vanquish, overthrow, succumb, withdraw, rustic, rural, uncivilized, cultured, refined, ruthless, remorseless, inhuman, compassionate, lenient, sacred, cherished, divine, ungodly, profane, savage, wild, untamed, polished, civilized. Then startle, the synonym is pretend, shock, waveringly, steep, coarse, lofty, flat, gradual, stranger, imminent, guest, acquaintance, national, sublime. The synonym is magnificent, eminent, ridiculous, sucking, clean, concise, terse, lengthy, polite, sympathy, tenderness, harmony, antipathy, discord, system, scheme, entity, chaos, disorder, sarcastic, ironical, derivish, courteous, gracious, saucy, imprudent, insolvent, modest, humble, shrewd, cunning, crafty, simple, imbecile, scanty, scarce, insufficient, lavish, multitude, servile, slavish, docile, aggressive, dominant, shabby, miserable, improvised, prosperous, thriving, slander, defame, malign are the synonyms, and the antonym is applaud, approve, sneer, mock, scorn, flatter, praise, solicit, entreat, implore, protest, oppose, subterfuge, deceit, stratagem, frankness, openness, stain, blemish, tarnish, honor, purify, spurious, fake, counterfeit, genuine, authentic, sporadic, intermittent, scattered, incessant, frequent, spry, nimble, brisk, leather, sluggish. Then the words quality, the synonym is dirty, filthy, and the antonym is tidy, attractive, successful, propitious, felicitous, destitute, untoward, sterile, barren, impotent, profitable, potent, stupor, lethargy and consciousness, sensibility and consciousness, subsequent, consequent, following, preceding, previous, substantial, considerable, solid, tenuous, fragile, subvert, demolish, sabotage, generate, organize, superficial, partial, shallow, profound, discerning, psychopath, and the synonym is parasite, flatter, devoted, loyal. Then taboo, the synonym is prohibit, ban, and the antonyms permit, consent, tacit and reserved, silent, talkative, extrovert, tedious, wearisome, irksome, exhilarating, lively, temperate, cool, moderate, boisterous, violent, tenement, apartment, dicks, break even, dislodge, tenacious, stubborn, dodge, docile, non-resinous, strong, assembly, crown, dispersion, sparsity, timid, diffident, coward, bold, intrepid, tranquil, peaceful, composed, violent, furious, transient, temporal, transitory, lasting, enduring, trench, chant, assertive, forceful, feeble, ambiguous, treacherous. The synonym is dishonest, duplicitous, and the antonym is forthright, reliable, tribal, trifling, insignificant, significant, veteran, tumultuous, violent, riotous, peaceful, harmonious, tyro, beginner, riotous, propitious, veteran, then tame. The synonym is compliant, subdued, wild, untamed are the antonym words. Thick, chunky, massive, thin, attenuated, thrifty, frugal, prudent, and extravagant, tranquil, amicable, calm, and the antonym is agitated, fierce, transparent, diaphanous, opaque, tremble, vibrate, steady. Then uncouth. The synonym is awkward, ungraceful, and the antonym is elegant, compensate, utterly, completely, entirely, deficiently, incomplete, umbrage, shaggering, offense, sympathy, goodwill. Uncouth. The synonym is boorish, clownish, elegant, compensate, urchin, foundling, orphan, creep, name. Urge, insight, implode, abhorrence, abomination, vain, arrogant, egoistic, modest, vagrant, wander, roaming, steady, settled, valor, bravery, prowess, fear, cowardice, vanity, conceit, pretension, modesty, humility. Then venerable, the synonym is esteemed, honored, and the opposite is unworthy, immature, venom, poison, male, Wallace, antidote, benevolent, veteran, ingenious, experienced, novice, tyro. Then vicious, corrupt, obnoxious, noble, virtuous, vigilant, cautious, alert, careless, negligent, vivacious, spirited, energetic, dispirited, unattractive, vilify, malign, slur, defame, and the antonym words are cherish, commend, vouch, confirm, consent, repudiate, prohibit, virtue. The synonym is ethic, morality, vice, dishonestly, vivid, eloquent, lucid, dull. Then the word wave. The synonym is relinquish, remove, and the opposite words are impose and clamp. When pale, faded, and the antonyms are bright, healthy. When decline, dwindle, and the opposite word is ameliorate, rise, vary. The synonym is cautious, circumspect, heedless, negligent, vain, marry, combine, and the antonym words are devout, separate, wicked, vicious, immoral, and the antonym words are virtuous, noble, wield, exert, employ, forego, avoid, wild, trickery, artifice, and the antonym words are naivety, honor, winsome. The synonyms are beautiful, comely, and the opposite words are alluring, rapturous. Then wild. The synonym is wither, perish, and the opposite words are revive and bloom. Yell. The synonym is shout, shriek, and the antonym is, just a second. Okay. So I'll share the antonym words in the comment section below. Yield. The synonym is surrender, abdicate, and the opposite word is resist, protest. Here, the synonym words are language crave and the opposite words are, that means the antonym words are content and satisfy, yoke, connect, harness, and the antonym words are liberate, release, zeal. The synonym words are eagerness, fervor, and the antonym words are apathy, lethargy. Then 398 zenith. The and synonym words are summit and apex, and the opposite words are nadir and base. Then 399z. The synonym words are delight, enthusiasm, and the antonym words are disgust and passive. And the last word 400 zigzag. These synonym words are oblique and wayward, and the opposite words are, that means that antonym words are straight and unbent. So this has been the end of the session and I hope you all have liked it. So I have discussed with you the most important 400 antonym and synonyms words. So the best way to remember these words are to revise these words again and again. So that's how you can remember the same. And also if you have any doubt regarding any word or meaning, you can comment the same in the comment section below. So with this note, I am signing off. Have a nice day.